Hey YouTube, it's Tom, F4 Collector. Got something to show you. Fangora. What I'm going to do is open this up and do a quick review. Let's check it out. Okay, let's take a good look at Fangora. Here's a box package. The bubble itself is pretty scratched up, but to be honest, I really don't care because I'm going to be opening it. It's dated 2005, so as 2015. It's been boxed for 10 years. Are you ready to come out? And there's the back side. Here's a card back. What I plan on doing is I'll scan this and I'll put it at the end of the video so you guys can see the other trucks like Grave Digger, Taz, Eradicator, Super Trucker, Cyborg, Shocker. All these other trucks you can enjoy the. See how like the dirt hill going up the hill and the box art. So, and actually I'll photocopy the box art right there too, the little insert. Open it up. Crack it. Monster Jam logo. I don't know if it was a sticker, but it's just like a little cardboard inlet. Let's take a look at this bad boy. I love the tampos. They are very clear. It's a metal casting. Some people like that, some don't. I mean, either way, I like the plastic as well as the metal. There we go. Back side. Let's look at the top here. A Hot Wheel logo. Fangora. So it looks like a bat type of creature. The fangs. So if I'd rate this truck from 0 to 10, I personally would probably give it a 9. Down in the comments section, you let me know what you think, 0 to 10. If you like this casting or not. Let's do that. Close up the hood.